Hello everyone. Today I will be walking you through our sports scheduler project and how its components work together seamlessly to manage sports events efficiently. Firstly, we are going to see uh, our server.js file where we have created. This is the main entry point of our application. It initializes our Express server, set up a middleware such as body parser, handling the data, and benefit the routes, defined routes, and different functionalities. We mention all the different functionalities routes in this file so that we can seamlessly work through the express.js, and at the same time we also use node.js to complete our application. Here if we see, this is style.css where we have written the code. This file contains the CSS style for our project, define how our HTML elements are displayed, and ensuring a consistent and appealing design across the application. If we see, we have a folder called views where we have multiple EJS folders where each EJS folder displays a different web page where we enter into the application and perform the activity. These make the user interface more friendly so that we can easily understand the content in the website and use it for our needs. As we can see, these are all the login files, register files, etc. So that these all play a main role in the application for displaying, as these are also known as the front end of the application. As we come here, we have a database file where the file manage the connection to the PostgreSQL database using a library like PG or PG prompts. It includes functionality to execute SQL queries and interact with the database. In the Here we also have a package.json file where this file lists the project dependencies and scripts. It's crucial for managing our Node.js application and installing necessary packages using npms or yarns. As we further continue, we have um, our workflow goes on as initializing the middlewares, routes and controllers. Here, routes and controllers plays a major role in our application, where we use get, login, post login. These routes handle the authentication and session management. Similarly, get register, post register. These are used for route management using registration. As similarly, we also use get admin dashboard, post admin dashboard, get player dashboard, and post join event routes. Routes management player specifications functionalities such as viewing events and joining templates. Here in we can also see the database interaction, uh, where the database interaction is mainly through the queries where all the data that we send into the application are stored in the database. As we can see, we have used PostgreSQL for this application. Here we basically have a database where we have created our own database as sports scheduler. In that sports scheduler database, we have uh, some tables where our table we contain we created three tables where they are called as users, events, and event participants, where user consists of all the user information in the table, as their id, their username, their password which is hash, due for extra security for the user to feel secure, and their role as if they are a player or an admin. As we can see here, we also have an events table where all the events are stored in the database. And we have event participation where we store the data of the user who has participated in multiple events. As we can see here, if we further move, then in total summary, our sports scheduler project integrates front-end templates where we use EJS, back-end logics where we combine Express.js and Node.js, and for database management we use PostgreSQL, and for styling we use CSS to deliver a robust platform to our for managing sports events. Each component works harmoniously to provide a seamless user experience while ensuring efficient data handling and security. As we go here, let's run this from console. As we can see, if we type node and our server.js and we run this, then we get a prompt message as server is running in the port 3000. Now let's go to the browser. In the browser, let's search as localhost 3000. Yeah. This is our sports scheduler website where we have created a sports scheduler which effortlessly manage schedules, events, and items. Here we have a landing page of our website where we can see we have multiple features. Here we have about section of our website, and here we have features where we mainly speak about team management, event scheduling, real-time updates, etc. And we have a contact section where you can give us your feedback and you can also tell your queries to us. And we have created this very user friendly so that we can easily understand about what we are using and how to use them. And let's log in into this. For login, we have to give a username where we will give as ABC and use any password. It is telling as invalid user name or password because we haven't registered yet. So let's click on register and register ourselves so that we can log in. First I will register as a player. Let's give a name like Hari and give a password. Let us register as a player. So we will click on register. You have successfully registered, so you have redirected to the login page. Here we will type our details like Hari and enter the password. Let's click on login. You have successfully logged in as a player, so you have redirected to the player dashboard. Here we have multiple events listed to us where we can join into any event that we choose. Let us see if we want to join in event A. So after clicking on join event, it is displayed as joined. So that means we have joined the event. As similarly, if we want to join the C, then let's click on join event. Then you have successfully joined it. So let's log out. After logging out, we should again log in. So let's go to the register, and now let's register as a admin. Um, let's give some name and password. And give our role as admin, and let's click register. Okay, we have successfully registered, so we have redirected to the login page. And let's type the username and password. Click enter. Yeah, here we have successfully logged in as an admin. In the admin, we have multiple features like adding events, deleting events, or editing events. Here, first let's see what adding events does. If we click on adding events, then we are redirected to this page where we can create a new event. Here let's say the game that we want to publish is like GAME. Its title name is given as game, and let's give a date that 20 of this month, and set some time at 4:15, and give a venue as Bhimavaram, and we can also mention the team size, which I am giving as 8 members, and let's write some description for it. Now let's click on add event. Here we can see a game named event has been successfully added. Okay, so if we want to remove any event from the uh, from all the events, if we click on delete event, for example we have C event here, so we want to delete it, so we will just click delete event. So as we can see here, the C event has been successfully deleted. If we did some mistake in any of the event and we want to edit it, so let's go to the game and edit this edit event. Here we can see we have the edit page. As we can see, we can change anything here. That means I want to change it, change the players to 12, and I have successfully updated it. Now you can see here the team limit has been increased, as our application is very robust, so that we can easily update, and the updation is instantly uh, delivered to all the servers. As we can see here, if we refresh this, then see hurry and gamer are registered here. As it is very fast, we can easily observe it. Let's log out. So this is our application where we seamlessly connect all Express.js and Node.js for application of sports scheduler. Thank you.